Hey, Mike here from Caliber Automotive. Today I just wanted to share with you a bit of a curious case study. And if anyone you might know is driving around in a 2011 to 2013 Honda Odyssey and experiencing a bit of a misfire, there's a situation that happens. Basically, you'll experience a misfire. You'll likely have an engine light on that's indicating a misfire in one or more cylinders. And what the problem is during the break-in period when the engine was new, the piston rings on the pistons would rotate and almost align with one another. And then add a few years and some carbon deposits that are brought on generally by the variable cylinder management system that deactivates cylinders. So what happens is it allows oil to kind of trap up into the combustion chamber. And then of course later then engine firing, normally it actually cooks and bakes that stuff and turns into carbon deposits, so it fouls up spark plugs. The only fix in that situation is to replace the piston rings. So Honda did have an extended warranty for 8 years, but because of the time now, that expired and no longer covered under warranty. But if you know anyone driving around a 2011 to 2013 Honda Odyssey that might have a misfire problem or engine lights are on, have them give us a shout. We're well equipped to handle that situation. Just thought I'd share that with you. Have a good night.